What if I told you that the secret to real wealth isn't just saving money, but investing it wisely? The rich don't work for money. They make money work for them. If you want to escape the paycheck-to-paycheck cycle and build lasting wealth, you need to invest in assets. Welcome to Velvet Wealth, where we break down the financial strategies of the wealthy. Let's dive into why investing in assets matters and how you can start today. Why investing in assets matters. Saving money is important, but investing is what creates wealth. Here's why. Long-term growth. Investments grow over time, building wealth beyond what savings alone can achieve. Inflation protection. The value of money decreases over time. Assets like real estate and stocks increase in value, ensuring your purchasing power remains strong. Financial independence. The goal isn't just to work forever. It's to create passive income streams so you can live life on your terms. Understanding asset classes. To build wealth, you must understand where to invest. Let's explore the major asset classes. Stocks. Owning stocks means you own a piece of a company. Over time, good companies grow, and so does your investment. Bonds. A safer investment option where you lend money to governments or corporations in exchange for interest. Real estate. One of the most powerful wealth-building tools. Whether it's rental properties or commercial real estate, this asset can generate passive income and appreciate in value. Commodities. Investing in raw materials like gold, oil, or even agricultural products can serve as a hedge against inflation. Beginner's Guide to Investing. Starting your investment journey may feel overwhelming, but here's how to begin. Set your investment goals. Are you investing for retirement, financial security, or passive income? Define your objective first. Determine your budget. Only invest money you won't need immediately. Choose the right investment accounts. Whether it's a brokerage account, real estate fund, or retirement account, pick what aligns with your goals. Understand risk tolerance. Every investment carries risk. Higher risk often means higher rewards, but you must choose what suits your comfort level. Building a diversified portfolio. Successful investors don't put all their money in one place. Here's why diversification matters. Risk management. If one asset underperforms, others can compensate. Balanced growth. Some investments are for high returns, while others ensure stability. Regular rebalancing. Adjust your portfolio over time to match your goals and market conditions. Mastering the market. Even the best investors keep learning and adapting. Here's how you can master the market. Stay informed, read financial news, follow market trends, and understand global events impacting investments. Use investment tools. Apps and platforms provide real-time data to help make informed decisions. Learn from the experts. Read books, watch interviews, and study successful investors. Adapt to market changes. Markets go up and down. Knowing when to adjust your strategy is key. Wealth isn't built overnight, but the right strategy can set you on the path to financial freedom. Start investing today and let your money work for you. If you found this video valuable, like, comment, and subscribe to Velvet Wealth for more insights into the world of smart investing.